Hello friends, welcome to Rajol Education channel. In this video, we are going to see the Balmer series in hydrogen spectrum. First, we see how hydrogen spectrum is produced. When hydrogen gas molecules, that is H2 molecules, are discharged in the presence of electric field, the hydrogen gas molecules are dissociated into their hydrogen atoms. The electron present in the hydrogen atom excited from ground state, that is n is equal to 1 to n is equal to 3, 4, 5, etc. In excited state, the energy of the electron is very unstable, so it returns back to original state. Not n is equal to 1 state, it returns to n is equal to 2 state. So during this emission or during return to the ground state at n is equal to 2, it emits radiation in the visible region. This type of series of spectrum is known as Balmer series. This Balmer series of electromagnetic spectrum follow the wave number formula, that is nu bar is equal to 109677 into 1 by 2 square minus 1 by n square, where n is equal to 3, 4, 5, etc. Here you can see how electron is jumping from n is equal to 3 to n is equal to 2. During this emission, it emit red color radiation. This wave number is equal to 109677 into 1 by 2 square minus 1 by 3 square. When electron is returning from n is equal to 4 to n is equal to 2, that is principal quantum number 4 to n is equal to 2, it emits green color radiation. Its wave number is equal to 109677 into 1 by 2 square minus 1 by 4 square. Next, the electron return from n is equal to 5 to n is equal to 2. It emits blue color radiation. Its wave number is equal to 109677 into 1 by 2 square minus 1 by 5 square. Here the electron is jumping from n is equal to 6 to n is equal to 2. It emits a violet color radiation. Its wave number is equal to 109677 into 1 by 2 square minus 1 by 6 square.